Hello everyone, my name is Savdy and welcome to Page Team Rise. And today we're going to learn lesson 28 about Jesus teaching part 1. And in this video we're going to learn 6 words together. So are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is clever. Clever. Spell C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. For example, you are a clever girl and you will know how to do it. You are a clever girl and you know how to do it. Clever. Second word is dump. Dump. Dump spell D-U-M-B. Dump. For example, this is a dumb question. This is a dumb question. Dump. The third word is terrible. Terrible. Terrible spell T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible. For example, the trip was cancelled because of the terrible storm. The trip was cancelled because of the terrible storm. Terrible. The fourth word is horrible. Horrible. Haribo spell H-O-R-R-I-B-L-E. Horrible. For example, the food at the hotel was horrible. The food at the hotel was horrible. Horrible. The fifth word is busy. Busy. Busy spelled B-U-S-Y. Busy. For example, she is busy preparing of the examination. She is busy preparing of the examination. Busy. And the last word we have lazy. Lazy. Lazy spelled L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. For example, my father advised me not to be lazy. My father advised me not to be lazy. Lazy. Okay, this time please repeat after me. Clever. Clever. Dump. Dump. Terrible. Terrible. Horrible. Horrible. Busy. Busy. Lazy. Lazy. Great job everyone. Okay, thank you so much for spending time watching this video. Please try to make sentence or sentences by using 6 words that we have learned today. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.